I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to solve the bulges in your carpet. For this job, you'll need a couple tools. For this job, we'll be using a knee kick and a carpet razor blade. The biggest cause of the bulges in your carpet is the fibers in the carpet breaking down, and they tend to get real loose. So we're going to take the knee kick, put it about 4 inches from the wall, and go ahead and kick it towards the wall. And then we'll come over and kick it at a 45 from where we just were at. Then we'll pick up the back side of the carpet here, and fold it back into that crease, and go ahead and cut off the excess right at the crease. Then you'll go ahead and do this all the way across the wall. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to solve those bulges in your carpet. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.